Welcome everyone back to the channel. My name is Shannon with Main Street and Beyond Travel Company. I appreciate you guys being here. If you're new, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for all things travel, theme parks, cruising, and much more that we have coming up for you guys. Today, we are bringing you another resort review video. We are at Universal Studios Orlando Endless Summer Dockside Inn and Suites. Now, one thing I really like about these suites is they're 2-bedroom family suites for not bad a price. You can get these for about $100 or so per night, which isn't bad for families with a lot of kids, because I know it's sometimes hard to find hotels that will fit larger families. Universal is great for that and at a reasonable cost. So let's get started on the room tour because we're checked in and I'm excited to show you guys. Okay, so right away when you come in the door, if you look to the left, you're gonna have a nice full-length mirror here, as well as some little hooks. You can put jackets or your backpacks from the day. I personally would maybe put your rain ponchos here, which, by the way, if you're coming to Central Florida, always have a rain poncho. It even rained on us today in December. I do have a full Amazon packing list for theme parks, travel, everything in my Amazon link in the description below. But let's go ahead. We're gonna pan over to the right here, and I'm gonna show you guys the kitchen. Plenty of space. It can seat about 5 or 6 people. There's a bench on that side, some chairs on this side, and a nice little stool for one of the other little kiddos to sit on there in the room. Pretty good sized kitchen. Not really equipped, so not good if you're like making any meals, but I mean, you do have it. So you guys can use this for prepping any food, or I know a lot of people request this stuff for making bottles for infants and things. We do love that they have a fridge. We already put some of our own waters in there, so I do recommend utilizing the fridge big time for that. And always highly requested a microwave in the room, which we didn't have to request. The microwave already comes in the kitchen, which is great. And then they do have a little coffee maker here, as well as some cups. So you guys know what's in the little kitchen area if you should need it. I'm gonna go ahead and flip around and we're gonna show you guys the first part of the bedroom over here. So walking in the door, you're immediately gonna see these 2 double beds, perfect for, you know, some of the kids to be out here, because there is a master bedroom for the parents or grandparents or however you guys are doing this, splitting everybody up. But this is great. 2 large double beds, really good size window, lamps up here if you should need them. You can turn them on and off. Really cool surfs up pictures because we are at Endless Summer Resort, where it is summer all year long. We do have a huge TV right here and even more hooks, which is great for like kids things here if they need to hang anything light up from the day. We do have, actually, there is one USB port. I wanted to make note of that, and a little chest drawer over here that you guys can use, and plugs. So pretty nice little bed area. Let's go ahead and look at the drawers here. Really nice. Plenty of room to unpack all your souvenir t-shirts you guys buy when you're on vacation, which is really great. A phone if you should need it. I do have my resort map and our keys already sitting out here. So pretty good little area. Oh, another USB port and a couple more plugs as well. If you guys are loving this resort so far, please be sure to head to my website, www.mainstreetandbeyondtravel.com, and be sure to fill out your free travel quote, and we'll get back with you. We can plan all things Universal, give us our best tips, how this resort was, how all the resorts here at Universal are, the rides, how everything works, anything Central Florida, anything cruising, anything travel. Be sure to head to the website. But let's get back on with the tour. All right, well, welcome to the master bedroom area. I love that this is a completely separate area from the other 2 beds and the TV out there. So you do have a whole other TV, some more hooks if you should need them, another plug with a USB port right there, little stool if, you know, one of the kids want to come in and tell you a story about their day or something. Looks like another double bed in here, which is great. More USB plugs in here. There's one on each side, which is pretty nice, so you can plug in any of your devices. Plenty of light. And then, of course, you do have a closet, which, ignore ours for now, has all of our luggage in it right now since we're staying here. But hangers if you should want to hang up your clothes while you're on vacation, as well as ironing board materials. So now since we finished up the master bedroom, I do want to show you the one bathroom that this 2-bedroom suite has. So do keep that in mind. If you guys want a few extra bathrooms, you may want to get a different resort or multiple rooms. Sometimes I know that's a little bit difficult to manage one bathroom with a big family, but if you guys plan it out right, should be good, and you're on vacation. So let's go check it out. Okay, so one thing that is going to make the whole one bathroom deal a lot easier is the shower and toilet are separated from the double sinks that are out here. So really nice, someone can be brushing their teeth while someone else is showering. It's gonna make it pretty simple for you all. Plenty of towels, washcloths, hand towels. They do have a face soap and some Kleenex up here. I love the beautiful lighting in the mirror. And then they do have a hair dryer, which is really nice. So if you guys don't want to pack your hair dryer on vacation, you don't need to. And then let's go ahead and finally move into the bathroom, where you just have your standard toilet and a very decent size shower in here. They do provide you your shampoo, conditioner, and soap, so you guys don't need to bring that. If you should need more, just simply call housekeeping on your phone and they can bring you some more for you. So pretty nice to have. I think that's it. Oh. Ooh, these are pretty nice. Comfy. I'll have to let you guys know how they are in the morning when we wake up from them. But I think we're going to go ahead and show you all the rest of the resort. We are in Tower 1. There's 2 towers in Dockside, and they pretty much mimic each other and twin each other. So we're just going to show you this area of Tower 1. They do have a pool, a bar that goes along with the pool, and then inside the main lobby of the hotel is just going to be a Starbucks, which is really nice. You can get that before you head out in the morning. You're going to have a souvenir shop and then just a quick service restaurant area. So we're gonna go show you guys that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the rest of the resort. We are in Tower 1. Now Tower 1 and Tower 2 are identical with a pool and a pool bar each. So we're just gonna be showing you over here in Tower 1. And then A is just simply the lobby, and inside the lobby they have an area to eat, like a quick service restaurant. They have a Starbucks, of course your check-in, check-out desks, and they also have a gift shop. So we're just going to show you guys the rest of the resort this morning. So actually we did have a little bit of a problem with the hotel yesterday. We got here at 9 a.m. We couldn't even get checked into our room until about 5 o'clock p.m. Because the rooms just weren't ready and they weren't putting us in the room. So we could only film the room tour last night for you all, and then this morning I'm going to show you guys the rest of the resort. Overall, really nice. The beds are really comfy. It was a great room to sleep in. It is a little loud. It wasn't loud overnight, but this morning you can hear all the rooms around you getting ready and everything, and kids running and all that. But expected with one of the value resorts here on property. That's pretty common at Walt Disney World too, to have a lot of noise. So just be cautious of that. And they're busy right now, especially during busy season. It's almost Christmas time, and they're starting to get busier and busier with travel coming back. So just be a little bit more patient with your check-in, check-out times. They do have luggage storage, which is really nice. So you can store your luggage here at the hotel, go do whatever you want to do during the day, and then when your room is ready, come back, grab your luggage, and go to your room. Okay, so I think it may be a better representation to show you actually from our room, the bus stops here, versus going outside, because it is raining and it may be hard to get them on here. But the bus stops for the hotel are actually right below us, which is really nice. They do take you to all 3 of the Universal theme parks completely free. So if you're staying on Universal property, you will get to use these buses and head to the theme parks. Another great thing is those staying on Universal property do get early entry into the theme parks. You get to go into the theme parks an hour earlier than everyone else. Alright, so I'm really sad because I did want to show you guys the pool. Oh my gosh, there's a lifeguard out there. The poor guy, he has to stay out there. I wanted to show you guys the pool, but it has been raining nonstop since we've checked in. And we brought our swimsuits and everything to swim, but we haven't been able to, which stinks. But, I mean, it looks like a pretty decent sized pool area, and I can see the bar way over there. So, unfortunately, we can't, you know, show you guys too much of the pool, but maybe I'll get a small clip here or something. So one quick thing I do want to mention to you all, elevators are kind of a mess here. We've had issues with elevators since we checked in. I think because these resorts are so huge and they're meant to fit so many people that There's so many people trying to use the limited number of elevators inside the building that it's just, there's always a huge line for the elevators and it takes forever for them to come. So honestly, if I were you guys, I would maybe request a ground floor or a lower floor so you don't have to worry about that problem, or just take a few flights of stairs each time. So walking from Tower 1, we are heading into Pier 8, which is their market here, their quick service restaurant that I was telling you guys about, that is located inside the lobby. An ATM and some restrooms here in the lobby if you should need them. And then as we continue on this way, we are going to run into the main lobby as well as Starbucks and the gift shop. Okay, so here in the main lobby is where you're going to do like the checking in, checking out if you need to, as well as pick up your ticket. So there's actually machines right behind me over here that are going to be ticket machines. All you do is swipe your credit card you used when you booked with me for Universal, and then it's going to print out your hard card tickets for you, which is really awesome. Why do I have the hiccups at 9 in the morning? Anyways, yeah, really simple process. I did find another little lounge area over here called Sunset Lounge, open at night. So if we keep going through the lobby, you will get to Tower 2, where they also have pretty much the same pool, another bar, and they also do have a game room different than Tower 1. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you would like to see more resort review videos from us, please drop a comment below if you've stayed here before or if you plan to stay at Universal, and be sure to fill out a quote form for us. We'll be able to explain all of this to you, and I'll give you some of these tips and things I learned from staying here, or alternatives and everything. So thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.